Get ready to escape the world because today we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones redefining quiet. Imagine silencing noisy commutes, bustling offices, or even airplane engines with just a flick. That's the magic of their industry-leading noise cancellation. It's not just good. It's an immersive bubble of pure sound, letting you focus or relax like never before. And you won't be running for a charger, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life, easily powering your longest days or multiple trips. From dawn till dusk, these headphones keep the music playing and the silence flowing. What truly sets these apart is the seamless multipoint connection, allowing you to switch effortlessly between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. No more fumbling with settings. Pure convenience for the modern multitasker. If you're searching for the best noise-canceling headphones on the market, the Sony XM5 delivers unparalleled sound quality and smart features that justify every penny. Ready to experience this audio revolution yourself? Check out the link in the description below to grab your own pair on Amazon. For anyone seeking the ultimate listening experience and a true upgrade in personal audio, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an absolute must-have.